Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install DLC files on Steam. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, to see your DLC files, you will choose a game which you already installed and then right click on it and go to properties. On properties you will see here DLC, and here will be all of your files. Maybe you have bought it recently and so on and so forth. If you want to go ahead and find the files for the specific game, you want to choose a game, any game basically. And after that you will see here DLC, you want to click on it, and here you will see all of the DLC packages which you can go ahead and purchase, as you can see, and like so you will install it. And that's pretty much it, how it works. Once you will install it, you will see it on your library. If not, again, go back to your library and right click on it, properties, DLC, and you will see all of your purchased DLC files here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.